Yo, what's going on, everyone? Devin here. Welcome to today's video. Been doing these daily live streams. Appreciate all of you that have been watching it. It's been fun just to kind of go over what I've been trading every day, why I've been trading it, and just like breaking down my different trades. I like doing it. Yeah, this is stuff I do whether I'm going live on YouTube or not. So why not film it, right? So pretty boring day in the markets today. Took two trades. One decent trade, one not good trade. It was a good trade, I executed it right, but just didn't play out. So yeah, let's go over those. So first trade I played today was NVIDIA. We played NVIDIA the past 3 days at market open. But NVIDIA's been pretty choppy. As you can see, like we broke out of this pattern here and it's held up really nice. But look at these wicks here. It just shows you like how much it's moving throughout the day, and then it gaps up overnight a lot of times. So big gaps up overnight. Same thing on the 180 here. As you can see, it's very just choppy around here, which from a day trading standpoint makes it very challenging. So yeah, let me kind of break down this play here. So pushed up a ton after hours here, pre-market, going into pre-market, and we're looking for the break above 206, and I'll play these opening range breaks quite often, and for like a very quick scalp. So basically what we look for is we anticipate the break of the pre-market high. In this sense, it was at 206. Let me just pull up something here. What time did we take this? Yeah, we took this literally right at market open, basically. So right at market open, we kind of were hanging out here for a second, and then we started to break up to the upside, and I entered right before this break, pushed up, and then I sold on this candle here at this high here once I saw it was kind of getting rejected up there, and I was having a hard time. You want to see these go quick. Like these can pull back very quickly, as you can see here. So you want to see it go quick, and if it's not going quick, you just need to get out. So this is a good trade, pulled like 90 bucks out of this. So pretty solid play. I only took two contracts that were 200 bucks pop, so it's like a 25% move right there. So yeah, with these plays right at open, it's like in and out super quick. So second trade I took today was on Tesla. And what time did I trade Tesla? So I got into Tesla right. Okay, so I got into Tesla right here. We pushed up. We're watching the 720 level, kind of this pre-market high area. This was a previous level we're watching as well. There's a lot of resistance up in this area. As you can see, like we broke it yesterday, but instantly came back down. But when we did break it, we saw a really nice push up. So yeah, we right at market open, we got rejected up in this area, came back down, huge pullback actually, down to this like 712 area where it bounced all day. And then we pushed back up, and once we like reclaimed VWAP here, I wanted to get in for an attempt to break above 720, and I got in right here for this push up, and then I was gonna add a few contracts above 720. Pushed up, instantly like started getting rejected, came down, went back up, and it was just having a hard time. So I sold, took profit of like 20 bucks. And yeah, I was like, if it breaks 720, I can always just re-enter, and that's a safer entry anyway. So got out of that one really quick. And then, I was kind of watching on the 5 minute. I was watching this to the downside actually on the 5 minute. We had like this downward resistance here, and then this bouncing at 712. There's definitely a lot of buying pressure down here, as you can see by all these wicks, but I knew if it broke 712, we would see a dump. But we didn't get that. We ended up bouncing, coming up here, and yeah, those were the 2 day trades I took today. Pretty not exciting day. 100 bucks on the day. But yeah, still green. Like if we can pull a little money out of the market every single day, that's amazing. But it definitely looks like Tesla's kind of squeezing here. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what this does. I entered a few swings actually. So really watching things closely. But yeah, we're kind of squeezing here. So looking for a break to the upside. That 720 level needs to break, and then see some power through the new highs here. So this could likely break early next week is what I'm thinking. But I entered a few swings, so let me go over those. So the first swing I entered today was Tesla, just a starter position, nothing crazy. I entered actually like right here for the break of 720 because I thought it was going to continue up, but ended up pulling back. I'm down on the swing right now, so yeah, we're just going to have to monitor this. Stop loss on this is at 710 right now, but I think we're going to see a gap up tomorrow, and then if we break and hold 720, we'll push up and break highs going into next week. So in that swing, and I'm also in a Facebook swing. We broke this level at 360.50, and then we're kind of holding above it. We're holding above it really nice, so I entered for a swing, and we're already up super nice on that. And then I entered an Apple swing. Didn't get the best entry, but I do think this will play out. We're kind of forming this wedge pattern here, so looking for a break to the upside, price target of 150, and then if we break 150, like this thing could really start moving. So Apple's a slow mover. All these contracts have about a month out on them, so we got plenty of time, so should be good. As far as what we're watching tomorrow, let's get rolling on that here. So tomorrow, watching Tesla tomorrow to break out of this range here. If we break on Tesla, if we break that 720, I'll look to enter. And then I'm also watching, where is it? I'm watching Apple for a day trade. Same thing, I'll look for a break above 148 on Apple to get in for a day trade. Next thing I'm still watching Airbnb. Airbnb has been moving really nicely. This would have actually been a beautiful swing here that we didn't take, but Airbnb looks really good above 152.70. Snow, see here. Snow, I'm waiting for the 286 break, which I don't think we're gonna get tomorrow, but I'll add it to my watch list just in case. Watching NVIDIA tomorrow at open again. I'm gonna type here. NVIDIA, I'm watching tomorrow for the all-time high break at 208.75, but I'll look for an early entry above pre-market high, whatever it's at tomorrow. So I'm adding that to the watch list. I'll watch Facebook tomorrow. Facebook's been showing strength. Adding all this to my watch list, so that's why I'm typing. But Facebook, as you can see, it's starting to show some authority again. We got above this 360.50 level, and it's looking to break out. So big push up here. So tomorrow, I'm going to be watching for that 364 break for an entry on that. So watch out for that level, and this could be a big play tomorrow as well. A couple people brought up Disney to me, and it looks decent. I think some people had some trend lines on this, the downside right here, and then right here. So we're definitely squeezing. Disney, we used to play this a lot back here, or a while back, a year ago. But yeah, we need to see this breakout to play that. Square had a massive day today. So Square made all-time highs today. Crazy mover. What's this percentage-wise on the day here? 10% on the day, almost 10%. That's wild. I wish we would have played this breakout here of this flag. Looks like a really nice play there. See what that looks like on the 1 minute. Yeah, this is definitely something I would have played here. It was this kind of zone. I would have played this right here, but I didn't. So too late in the day. Usually I'm done right here, right around this time of the day. So wild move. Amazon looks really good above 3,400. Actually 3,390 is like pretty key level on this. So as you can see, we're kind of getting rejected up here at 3,390. So it could be a good mover above that level there. always make my entry points yellow so that way I can tell the difference. But Amazon looks really good above this level, and it had bad earnings, so there's like a big gap fill here up to the upside. So if we break above that and start to see some upwards momentum, we can break this 9 EMA and kind of fill this gap here. So Coinbase, big mover today as well. I bought this on IPO day and bought the whole way down, average down. But yeah, Coinbase looks really good above 260 and has earnings coming up here soon. So I know some people that are trading this as well. So yeah, kind of watch that 260 level. It'd be awesome if we could start seeing some momentum on this. And then Hood, which is Robinhood's IPO. A lot of people still trading this. So this is just crazy that this even happened. Like, wild move of 60% off the open. But now people are shorting it back down. So on watch tomorrow: Tesla, Apple, Snow, Nvidia, Facebook. Main things I'm going to be watching is Tesla above 720, Nvidia above pre-market highs and all-time highs, and then Facebook above, what level were we watching again? Facebook above 364. So that's all today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for hopping on. Give this video a like, comment, any stocks you want me to go over, anything like that, and I'd be happy to help. So later, guys. Peace.